thought that your dream truck can be a nightmare? Can you trust that towing capacity was really under the hood? Many popular pickup trucks come with hidden issues that owners regret later, from costly repairs issues to transmission issues. Before you hand over your hard-earned money, stick around as we break down the details and help you avoid the trucks that might not meet your expectations. Let's get started. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 has long been a favorite among pickup truck enthusiasts, but it's essential to consider some significant drawbacks before purchasing. One of the most commonly reported issues by owners is reliability. Many F-150 drivers have experienced problems with the transmission and engine, leading to costly repairs and frustrating downtime. These reliability concerns can turn what should be a dependable workhorse into a source of stress. Additionally, the cost of maintenance and repairs for the F-150 can be surprisingly high. While it may seem like a great deal upfront, the expenses associated with routine maintenance, parts replacement, and unexpected repairs can quickly add up. This can be particularly burdensome for budget-conscious buyers who are looking for a truck that won't break the bank in upkeep. Fuel efficiency is another critical factor to consider. The F-150, especially in its larger engine configurations, tends to consume more fuel than some of its competitors. Over time, this can lead to significant costs at the pump, impacting your overall ownership experience. When you factor in reliability issues, high maintenance costs, and fuel efficiency, the Ford F-150 may not be the best choice for buyers seeking a long-term, hassle-free pickup truck. Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 has earned a reputation for its stylish design and impressive features, but it's important to take a closer look at some of its drawbacks before making a decision. One significant concern is its towing capacity. While the Ram 1500 can handle moderate loads, many users have reported that it falls short compared to competitors in the same class. If you plan to tow heavy trailers or equipment regularly, this could be a deal breaker. Another area where the Ram 1500 has received criticism is its interior quality and comfort. Although the truck boasts a modern design, some users have noted that the materials used in the cabin feel less premium than expected. Issues such as uncomfortable seating and inadequate leg room in the back can detract from the overall driving experience, especially on long trips. Additionally, older models of the Ram 1500 have been known to experience electrical problems. These issues can range from minor glitches to more serious malfunctions, leading to frustration and costly repairs. If you are considering a used Ram 1500, it's crucial to be aware of these potential pitfalls. Overall, while the Ram 1500 has its strengths, these drawbacks may make it less appealing for buyers seeking a reliable and comfortable pickup truck. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a popular choice among truck enthusiasts, but it's essential to evaluate its shortcomings before making a purchase. One of the most frequent complaints from owners revolves around transmission performance. Many users have reported issues such as rough shifting and delayed responses, which can significantly impact the driving experience. These transmission problems can lead to frustration, especially for those who rely on their truck for daily tasks or towing. Another area of concern is the reliability of the Silverado's infotainment system. While it offers a range of modern features, including smartphone integration and navigation, many users have experienced glitches and connectivity issues. These problems can be distracting and may detract from the overall enjoyment of the vehicle, making it less user-friendly than some competitors. Additionally, there are ongoing concerns regarding the overall build quality and durability of the Silverado 1500. Some owners have reported issues with paint chipping, rust, and interior components that feel less robust than expected. These durability concerns can raise questions about the long-term value of the truck. especially for buyers looking for a reliable vehicle that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Overall, while the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has its merits, these shortcomings warrant careful consideration before making a purchase. Nissan Titan. The Nissan Titan has its share of loyal fans, but there are several reasons why it may not be the wisest investment for potential buyers. One significant concern is the limited availability of parts and service options compared to more popular brands like Ford and Chevrolet. Finding replacement parts or qualified service technicians for the Titan can be challenging. This can lead to longer wait times for repairs and potentially higher costs, which can be frustrating for owners who rely on their trucks for daily use. Fuel economy is another area where the Titan struggles. While it offers a robust engine and impressive towing capacity, its fuel efficiency lags behind many competitors in the full-size truck segment. This can result in higher fuel expenses over time, especially for those who frequently use the truck for work or long trips. Overall, the market perception of the Nissan Titan can impact its resale value. Despite its solid build and features, the Titan has not gained the same level of popularity as its rivals, leading to lower demand in the used truck market. This can result in a steeper depreciation curve, meaning you may not recoup your investments as well as you would with a more established brand. Considering these factors is crucial when evaluating the Nissan Titan as a potential purchase. Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra has built a solid reputation for reliability, but there are potential issues that buyers should investigate before making a decision. One of the most significant concerns is its fuel economy. The Tundra tends to consume more fuel than many of its competitors, which can have a considerable impact on daily use, especially for those who drive long distances or use the trucks for work. Higher fuel costs can quickly add up, making it less economical for everyday driving. Another drawback is the aging design of the Tundra, which has remained relatively unchanged for several years. While its rugged appearance appeals to many, the lack of modern technology and features can be a turn-off for buyers looking for a more contemporary driving experience. Many newer trucks offer advanced infotainment systems, connectivity options, and driver assistance features that the Tundra simply doesn't provide. Additionally, the limited engine options available for the Tundra can restrict buyers who are looking for specific performance characteristics. While it offers a powerful V8, those seeking for fuel-efficient or diverse engine choices may find the options lacking. Overall, while the Toyota Tundra has its strengths, these potential issues warrant careful consideration for anyone in the market for a reliable pickup truck. GMC Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra 1500 is often praised for its upscale features and strong performance, but it's essential to review its potential pitfalls before making a purchase. One common complaint among owners is ride comfort. Many drivers have reported that the Sierra can feel bumpy and less refined compared to competitors, particularly when navigating rough terrain or uneven roads. This can detract from the overall driving experience, especially for those who prioritize comfort during long trips. Another significant concern is the truck's reliability ratings. While GMC has made strides in improving its vehicle, the Sierra 1500 has faced criticism for various mechanical issues over the years. Owners have reported problems ranging from electrical glitches to engine troubles, which can lead to costly repairs and downtime. These reliability concerns can be a major red flag for potential buyers looking for a dependable truck. Additionally, the cost of ownership for the Sierra 1500 can be higher than that of similar models. Factors such as maintenance, repairs, and fuel efficiency can add up, making it a less economical choice in the long run. When considering a pickup truck, it's crucial to weigh these potential pitfalls against the benefits to ensure you are making a well-informed decision. Overall, while the GMC Sierra 1500 has its appeal, these issues warrant careful consideration. Mercedes-Benz X-Class. The Mercedes-Benz X-Class is often marketed as a luxury pickup truck, boasting a range of high-end features that appeal to those seeking both style and functionality. With its sleek design, premium interior materials, and advanced technology, it certainly stands out in the crowded pickup market. Features like a high-resolution infotainment system, leather upholstery, and various driver assistance technologies create an impression of luxury. However, many potential buyers find that these luxury features may not justify the X-Class's hefty price tag, especially when compared to more affordable competitors that offer similar or even superior capabilities. When it comes to performance, the X-Class has faced criticism for its lackluster engine options. While it offers a smooth ride, it often falls short in terms of towing capacity and off-road capabilities compared to rivals like the Ford Ranger or Toyota Hilux. This can be a significant drawback for buyers who need a truck that can handle tough terrains or heavy loads. Additionally, the X-Class has limited availability and support in certain markets, which can pose challenges for maintenance and repairs. In regions where Mercedes-Benz dealerships are sparse, finding parts or services can become a hassle, leading to potential downtime for your vehicle. Overall, while the X-Class may appeal to those looking for a luxury pickup, its performance issues, high price, and limited market support make it a less than ideal choice for many truck enthusiasts. Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger has long been a popular choice among pickup truck enthusiasts, but is not without its potential drawbacks that buyers should consider. One of the primary concerns revolves around engine performance and fuel efficiency. While the Ranger offers a turbocharged engine that delivers decent power, some drivers have reported that it struggles under heavy loads or during towing. Additionally, fuel efficiency ratings may not be as competitive as those of some rivals, which can lead to high operating costs over time, especially for those who rely on their truck for daily use. Another area where the Ranger falls short is in interior space and comfort. Although it provides a functional cabin, many users have noted that rear seat legroom can be cramped, making it less suitable for families or those who frequently transport passengers. The overall interior design, while practical, may not offer the level of comfort and refinement found in other trucks in its class, leaving some drivers feeling less satisfied during long journeys. Reliability ratings and customer feedback also raise concerns for potential buyers. While the Ranger has received some positive reviews, there have been reports of issues related to electronics and build quality. These reliability concerns can lead to frustration and unexpected repair costs down the line. Overall, while the Ford Ranger has its strengths, it's essential for buyers to weigh these potential drawbacks against the specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Before you go, want to hear from you. Have you ever driven one of these trucks? Or do you have any of your own real stories to share related to your pickup truck? Comment below and share your experience, because your valuable experience may benefit the next potential pickup truck buyer.